Hi Weber fans, so today what we're going to be doing is cooking some Persian chicken kebabs on the Baby Q. So what we'll do, let's get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, if those who are new to the channel, if you find you get value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Now don't forget, everything I use in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is some Persian chicken kebabs on the Baby Q. Now it's a really easy recipe and it's literally 15 minutes preparation time. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight to it. Before we start making our kebabs, we're going to make our marinade for our chicken. Now this will be listed down in the description below, so make sure you check that out for all the ingredients and the description on how to make it. So what we'll do is jump in and start making our marinade. First up, we're going to finely chop our garlic. So you've got 5 cloves of garlic, and then we're going to chop the onion. So now our onions chopped and our garlic, we're going to add all this to a blender. So 1 onion, our finely chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of oregano, a cup of lemon juice, and then we're going to put this on the blender, and while the motor's running slowly, we're going to add the olive oil. And that is our marinade made. Well, so now we've pureed our marinade, it's time to get the chicken thighs prepared and actually sliced into pieces to go onto those kebab skewers. So we've got this boneless chicken thighs, and we're just going to slice these up to film the kebabs. Once with our chicken thighs, you want to cut all the excess fat off, and then we're just going to cut it into 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch pieces. We've got our marinade, and we're just going to pour that all over that chicken, and just make sure there's no air in there. Give that a mix, and we'll put that in the fridge for an hour. Right, so our chicken's been in that fridge for about an hour. Now you can leave it overnight. So I've just left it for an hour just for the purpose of this video, but I'd advise leaving it overnight just to get that marinade to soak into that chicken. So while that's still in the fridge at the moment, what we'll do is we'll go out and light the Q, and then we'll come back in and start preparing the kebabs. Right, so now our Q's on a 10-minute preheat. While that's heating up, we're going to get our meat out of the fridge and start preparing these kebabs and get them on the skewers. So what we'll do is go straight to it. Right, so we've got our chicken out the fridge and it's ready to get them on these skewers. Now if you've got wooden skewers, I suggest you soak them in water for at least an hour and use them. I've got metal skewers which I'm using today, and I will put a link in the description below for everything I'm using today. So what we'll do is start getting these skewered up. Once it's time to get these on the queue. Turn those in 2 minutes. Now it's time to get these off. Now we'll just temp these with some tin foil. Right, so those have been resting for about 10 minutes now, so there was 12 minutes in total cooking and they've been resting for 10 minutes. So it's time to get these plated up and a taste test. Absolutely beautiful. Now don't forget, everything I used in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be down there as well. So make sure you check that out. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video and I hope you found it really informative, and as you can see, it's a really simple recipe and it's something you can do on the Q, you can do it on the Genesis, you can even do it on the Weber kettle. As long as you have it over medium heat, they actually taste superb, as you saw. It is a little bit messy being the marinade and it will stick a little bit to your grill, but you just clean it off after. Like I say, you've got to cook it on a medium heat purely because that marinade will burn to the grill and it will stick. But as you saw, it turned out absolutely superb and tastes beautiful. For those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers and I'll catch you in the next one. Hi Weber fans, so today what we're going to be doing is cooking some Persian